Afternoon. It's 3:52 on the 1st of March. As you can see, it's raining. This is the day that I decided to come fishing, so I already planned it before I saw what the weather was doing. Hope for the best. We're on limited time now to fish this canal for the rest of the season. I've come with my bare minimum gear, which I'll do a video of later. I've got my pinkies in a pouch bag on my waist, and the rest of my tackle just in a little over the shoulder bag. Put my pole rather than the whip, just in case I do get some hopefully tench or bream, maybe perch, larger ones. So I've not brought the whole pole just for quickness. I've just brought about 3 metres, the same as my whip. And I brought it ready set up with the rig on, just clipped onto an elastic band. I don't know if you can see that in the camera there. So it's literally just ready to drop in. There's another guy fishing a bit further down, not far away from where I usually fish. So I've come a bit more closer to the parking spots and that. So let's see how we get on. I've got my brolly up, so I'm nice and dry at the moment. There was a slight slow touch on my float there. Now I lifted it up slowly to see if anything was on it as I moved, but nothing. No response. As you can see there, I've just bought a landing net, pole, Octopus stool with an umbrella clamped to it, and just a small over the shoulder bag with my tackle in, and I've just got a little pouch bag, old camera bag here with my bait in. I was just double checking the depth in, check it's the same in this peg as the other ones I've been here. Yeah, it is about the same, but I'm a couple of inches off the bottom, so I'm just going to try going up a bit shallower, just in case the water's a bit colder right on the bottom. My 4:26. It's my first white mist after just over half an hour. A couple of little bobs. I think I probably struck a bit too early. Oh, there's my first fish. If I can get it in. Nice chunky roach. 4:28. I don't mind fishing in this weather when I'm under a cosy brolly. It's when you come to back a wave it's still like it. It's not so much fun. And luckily there's not any wind, so it's not blowing in underneath the brolly. Another nice roach. It's 4:45 now, so 15 minutes after the last one. Oh, that's a skimmer. I was going to say that's a bigger looking one. That's like 2 minutes after the roach. Just lines wrapped around his body. Come on. He's trying to get his slime all over me. Right in the top lip. There you go. There you go. And that actually just slid my float down a little bit there. Bit of a pain. I've lost a bit of depth of fishing up there. I don't know whether the camera picked that up, but it looks like someone's just thrown their washing up water at the boat right where those people are fishing. I don't know if that was intentional or whether they do that every night. Doesn't seem quite right behaviour. I don't know how long it's going to last because it was the float was a bit wet, but I've just coloured the tip in with black permanent marker because I just couldn't see the float, the orange against the reflection of the sky. I meant to do that last time I came for the evening, never got around to it. I thought it was a sign of good things to come when I had the roach and skim within 2 minutes of each other, but it's almost an hour has gone now since those two together, without any indication at all since then. So I've just had the 2 roach and 1 skimmer all within 20 minutes of each other. Not even been able to attempt to perch from the margins yet. I've probably got about 20 minutes left before it gets too dark to fish. It's just started raining again. I was hoping I was going to be able to walk back to the car in the dry. I might be able to carry the umbrella up. Now this is a downpour. I can't really just sit here until it stops. Well, it's nearly 6 o'clock now. I think the camera that's on the water is probably not showing anything. It's how dark it's gone. I've had 2 roaches and a skimmer in a couple of hours I've been here. I was hoping to try and get something a bit bigger, but you know, might as well be out here and try. Although it's actually torrential rain at the moment. I've been under the umbrella the whole time, so I'll stay dry. Hopefully I'll get back to the car now while I'm holding the umbrella up without getting wet. We'll see.